Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up the server in your MERN stack project. So let's get started. So first, you need to initialize the project. To do that, open the terminal, then go into the server folder, and to do that it's simple. Just type in cd server, because that's what you're going to name the server folder, and then you'll be in this. Now you need to initialize your project. To do that, just type in npm init-y to initialize your project and to initialize it using the default options. Okay, now we have the package.json file. Now you need to start installing your packages on the backend. So in your server folder, to do that, you need to type in npm I Express, because we are going to be using Express. So just press enter, and as you can see, the node modules folder has been added, and in this we are going to add a index file. But to make this index file run, we need to install another package called npm I nodemon. And what this is going to do, it's going to refresh our project. Now to set up nodemon is really simple. All you have to do is, here you can create a script, and I'm gonna call this start. Now you need to type in, and this has to be here for this to work. Okay, and just save it. Now I'm gonna run the command npm start to start our server, and as you can see, this is running. Okay, from now what we are going to do is set up the file right now, and first thing we need to add is const express is equal to acquire express. Okay, and then const app and express. Okay, and here listen, and actually I'm gonna have to enter the port first. I'm gonna make it 3001, and here I'm gonna console log this. I'm gonna say server, I'm just gonna say this, server running. Okay, and I'm gonna save this. As you can see, our server is now running. So we have set up our backend to start working with the front end, and this is the basic setup. Okay, and you can add in whatever you want moving forward, because there are tons of different ways to move forward when it comes to setting up your server using Node and Express. Now I want to add here, we are going to be creating full stack tutorials, so subscribe to the channel, like, and help the channel get to 1,000 subscribers so that we can start creating e-commerce websites, real estate websites, and tons of other different things, and do all sorts of things actually. So subscribe for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.